Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back with another short video tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we remove the viruses from Windows 10 computer or laptop in just 4 easy steps. Okay, so let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to go to our taskbar and then click this arrow icon here and go to the shield icon, which is our Windows security. And from there, we need to click on virus and threat protection. Okay, so under current threats option, we need to click on quick scan. Okay, so let's just wait for this scanning to finish. And while waiting, we need to proceed on, or we can proceed to the next step. Let's just minimize that one. Okay, so we need to click on Windows R key for this run window to come up on our screen. And here we need to type for clean MGR. So CLEAN MGR. And then click on OK. And from here, by default, this local disk C was chosen or selected as the drive that we want to clean up. So we'll just click on OK. And this disk cleanup for local disk window will come up on our screen. So by here, in this section, all we need to do is just to select the files that we want to delete. So in case that you want to delete everything, then you can check on everything, and after selecting and after doing so, you can click now on OK, and that will delete all the cache files that you don't necessarily need in your laptop. So once done, let's proceed to the third step. Again, let's press on Windows R key, or you can also do that by making a right click on our Windows icon and then clicking on Run. Okay, so once the Run window will come up on your screen, here we need to type again temp. It's TEMP, and then click on OK. And then this window will come up on our screen. Let me just expand this one. So what are we going to do here? We need to select everything. By doing so, we have to delete everything or delete all these unnecessary files. So how can we do that? We can click on Control A key to select everything, and then Shift delete key, or we can also make a double click or right click and then click on the delete button. Okay, so after doing that, let's proceed to the last step. Again, let's press on Windows R key. So run window will come up, and here we need to type for %temp%. It's %temp%, and then click on OK. Again, in this section, we need to select everything. So to do that, we need to click on Control A button and delete everything. So we can do that also by clicking or making a right click and then clicking this delete button, or we can also click also Shift and delete button key. Okay, so after you have done that, we can go back to our quick scan that we did. So let's just wait for this to finish. It's almost done. Okay, so let's just wait for this for a while. Okay, so since it's taking for this scan to, okay, so it's already done. 47,267 files have been scanned now, and it lasted for 5 minutes and 37 seconds. So there are no threats found, so we can now click on exit here. And once done, after you did all the four steps on four process, you can now go restart your computer. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.